Welcome back to Mr. Wheel Wonders. Today we're diving into the perfect blend of style, comfort, and functionality, the 2025 Toyota Motorhome camper van. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a full-time traveler, this could be your ultimate home on wheels. Let's get started. First, let's talk about design. Toyota has outdone itself with a sleek and aerodynamic profile that reduces drag while still looking rugged enough for off-grid adventures. The camper sits on a reinforced chassis, making it durable for both city streets and off-road terrain. LED headlights for better visibility. An integrated solar panel on the roof to keep your devices charged and your appliances running. And check this out, a fully motorized retractable awning, perfect for setting up a quick outdoor lounge. Stepping inside, you're greeted with a smartly designed interior that maximizes space and comfort. It sleeps up to 4 people thanks to a convertible sofa bed and a lofted sleeping area. The use of sustainable materials and modern finishes creates a cozy yet premium vibe. A fully equipped kitchenette with an induction cooktop, microwave, and a 75-liter refrigerator. A compact yet functional bathroom with a shower toilet and a sink. Tons of storage. From underseat compartments to overhead cabinets, there's a place for everything. Now, let's talk performance. The 2025 Toyota Motorhome is powered by a hybrid engine, a 2.5L petrol engine paired with an electric motor. It delivers 200 horsepower and a fuel efficiency of up to 30 miles per gallon, making it one of the most eco-friendly motorhomes in its class. The camper comes with all-wheel drive, giving you confidence on snowy roads or muddy trails. And with Toyota's advanced suspension system, the ride is smooth, even on bumpy terrain. Toyota knows how important connectivity is, even when you're off the grid. The camper features a 10-inch infotainment screen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus there's a built-in Wi-Fi hotspot to keep you connected wherever your travels take you. A 360-degree camera for easy parking and maneuvering. Adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist for those long highway drives. A dedicated app that lets you control lighting, temperature, and even check your water levels remotely. So, what makes the 2025 Toyota Motorhome stand out? Here are the top unique features. 1. Off-grid readiness. With the solar panel and a 200 Ah lithium-ion battery, you can camp anywhere. 2. Compact size. At just 22 feet long, it's easy to drive and park, even in urban areas. 3. Toyota reliability. Backed by Toyota's reputation for durability and a 10-year powertrain warranty. And now for the big question, pricing. The 2025 Toyota Motorhome starts at $75,000, which is competitive given the features and Toyota's renowned reliability. Overall, this camper van strikes a great balance between functionality, comfort, and affordability. Whether you're embarking on a cross-country road trip or just escaping for the weekend, this motorhome has you covered. That's it for today's review. What do you think about the 2025 Toyota Motorhome camper van? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more vehicle reviews. Until next time, keep exploring with Mr. Wheel Wonders.